Hi guys, we are Mike and Aga. We got another dresser from the 50s. So we bought it for 25 bucks a couple of days ago. Aga already cleaned it up off camera before we started filming, so we are ready to go. There's a lot of damage to the veneer all around. Got missing. This one's falling off. Same on this side. Looks like somebody tried to fix it already. Same on the bottom. Whole side is falling off. Same on this side. This one is actually worse. And it's missing the front trim. We want to stain as much as we can, but with the damage to veneer, there's not much we can do. We were thinking about the top two drawers, but the veneer here is falling off. Same on this one. We're gonna try and glue it back, and maybe it's gonna be just fine to sand it down and stain it. Okay, let's get to it. So the veneer is actually peeling in more places than we initially thought. I'm gonna try and glue it together anyway. Cut the piece that goes on the front already. I'm just going to do 2 holes on each side, countersunk, so we can patch it up with wood filler. We were lucky because it's exactly the depth that we needed, so I only had to cut it to the length. Okay, so it's fixed. Aga is going to fill it up and I'm going to cut the legs. Thanks for watching guys, we hope you enjoyed the video.
If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.
We paid $25 for the dress on the marketplace. The materials with the wood and everything were around $25, so altogether it's a $50 investment.
And we'll be posting it on marketplace for something between $300 and $350, and hopefully it will sell fast. I'm glad we were able to save the veneer on top 2 drawers. I thought it's just gonna peel off once I start sanding, but it didn't damage, so that's very nice. Thank you, veneer.
Super glue worked.
Yeah.
We were just taking the pictures in B-roll right now, and we realized the legs are probably a bit too tall than they should. We could maybe trim the base a bit as well, or we didn't, so it is what it is. Someone might be into it, so we'll see.
It looks nice.
Let us know in the comments below if you like how it turned out, and we're going to see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.